Guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this absolutely stunning Kawasaki ZX10R. Well, the bike is this one, 2019 on a 19 plate, so 4,019 miles. And it's lovely. We've sold this bike previously. Happy to sell it again because it's lovely. It's got a tinted screen on there. It's got the Scorpion exhaust. You've got some aftermarket fast grips, seat cowl. It's also got the tail tidy. These come standard with ABS, adjustable traction control, different power modes. You've got the quickshifter, Ohlins steering dampener, big piston, manual adjustable Showa balance suspension, electric engine braking. They've got the bee's knees on these, are a lovely bike. Claim 200 brake horsepower, and they handle like something else as well. You get Brembo M50 monobloc brakes, Brembo master cylinder, so you've got some fantastic stopping power there as well. Give it a fire up so you can hear it. Sounds and looks fantastic with that Scorpion exhaust. And there you go, that is a 2019 Kawasaki ZX10R. If you do want this one, be super quick, get yourself down to Jordanbikes and simply give us a call. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.